Hi everyone, I'm Woz, and I'm an offering manager for MQ on IBM Cloud. Today we're going to run through how quickly and easily you can deploy a queue manager that's managed by IBM onto AWS. You'll be able to enjoy all of the benefits of a managed service with this queue manager on AWS. These benefits include infrastructure and version maintenance by the IBM Cloud team, simple scaling of your service, and being able to connect to on-premise systems and cloud applications with ease. As you can see, you begin the process of deploying your queue manager in AWS by logging into the IBM Cloud console. There, you create your instance of MQ in US South. After clicking Create and defining the queue manager name and its display name, you can select which location you want to deploy your queue manager. From the drop-down list, select AWS US East, and then click Create. Then, by the time you've boiled the kettle and made yourself a cup of tea, you'll have a queue manager deployed and running on AWS with the benefits of a managed service. Thanks for watching.